Hey, it's Fat Albert. And we're doing our high school food review. We got some like lettuce, salad, a salad probably. I'm just gonna use the lettuce in my thing. We have like a chicken, rice.
Hold on. Did I just say rice? Really? Rice? That's actually fucking corn, you retard, not fucking goddamn rice, you big stupid idiot.
And cheese, fajita type of thing going on. That's pretty good. I'm gonna put some honey mustard and some salsa inside of it. It's gonna be, well, I don't know what I'm gonna put inside of it. I got some orange cream milk, so I'm gonna eat this, okay? And I'm gonna tell you guys about it because I love you. And please call me after 7 o'clock and we can have some nice sexy conversation over the telly. Ahoy! The fucking the rap was so good I thought it was a rapper rapping to me as I ate it. Like, hey bro, I hope you know I'm gonna rap till you die. The salad was really good. This lunch was probably like a 20 out of 20. And now I'm gonna do something different. I'm gonna take this milk, this unopened milk, and I'm gonna chug it and see how fast I can do that. And okay, so I'm gonna put this down. Actually, you should record me drinking this. I just opened it.
Alright, new cameraman. Let's go.
Alright, let's go.
Look at that, don't move.
Empty. Okay, fucking bye.